Hello from Tajmotormedics. I've got an Audi A6 here on a 2019 plate. This is the one with a virtual cockpit, so the whole thing is touchscreen, except obviously the main digital thing for the speedo, that isn't. But I'm going to show you how to reset the service light on this. Now the service is obviously overdue, so I need to reset that. The inspection is not due yet. That's not going to be due for another 4,700 miles. But with the inspection reset, you can't do it manually. It has to be done through the diagnostics. But with regards to the oil reset, I'll show you how it is and I'll show you exactly what I'm talking about. Come in, please. Now, if I start the car up, on the inside there you can see oil change due. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to reset that, switch the ignition off. So it's the touch start button here. Don't press the brakes or anything. You switch the ignition on, so make sure all the lights are on. You then go onto the home screen, so you press the home. If you're anywhere like on the radio, for instance, you press the home screen. Put the volume down a little bit. Okay, once you get to that screen, you press the car button. Now for instance, you're here. Okay, so all you do, scroll to the right, go on to service, and then you can do the tire pressures as well if you wanted to. You can check the oil level as well. What I'm going to do, I'm going to reset the service indicator on this. So you've got the oil change has been due for 4,700 miles, which I'm going to reset. The other one's not due yet. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to press this button right here. I've obviously carried the service out. It takes 5.5 litres engine oil of 5W30. That's the specs is 507. So make sure you use the right oil as well. So reset. Now you can see it's 9,400 miles. So if I switch the ignition off and then switch the ignition back on, the display it won't display the oil change and inspection is due now in 4,700 miles. So you ignore that, you press OK, and that's it. But here you can see it's not due. Okay, so that's all it was on this particular model. It is an Audi A6 on a 2019 plate, which is practically a brand new one, because I think they go up to about 2023 now. Yeah, so do like the video and thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel as well. Thank you and goodbye.